Hi, Lee Phillips here. I want to talk to you about how to lose LLC liability protection. And you go, well, I already know how to do that. You don't follow the formalities. Well, that's not what I'm going to talk about. The formalities are certainly big, and hit the link below and it'll take you over. I've done a full YouTube series and done a sheet on on the formalities that you need to follow in an LLC. Hit the link and it'll give that to you. No charge. But people lose liability protection in an LLC in a very interesting manner. When you go to the bank, when you go to Home Depot, when you go to wherever and you get your credit card at Home Depot in the name of your LLC because you're doing real estate rehabs, they're going to make you sign personally. You're going to personally guarantee everything. Trust me, unless you're IBM and have $600 million in your bank account or your Amazon, you're going to, as the owner, personally sign everything on behalf of your LLC. And that makes you personally liable. But the whole trick of the LLC was to avoid personal liability. Well, I'm sorry, if you're getting credit in any way, you are going to be personally liable. There's no way around it that I've ever figured out. If there is, let me know. And by the way, you're welcome to ask me questions. Just email the questions to info@legalese.com. info@legalese.com. And I will get those and we'll answer them. So you're welcome to ask questions that way. But just know that when you do an LLC or a little corporation, subchapter S, or even a C corporation, or even a living revocable trust, you're going to be signing personally on those bank accounts, on the credit cards, on everything else, and you're going to be stuck. There's just no two ways about it. Of course, if you don't follow the formalities in your LLC or your corporation, and you can't go into the judge and say, no, judge, this is a real LLC, this isn't me. If you can't do that and show him that it's a real LLC, and the way you do that is by following the formalities that society, the courts have laid out to say, if you don't commingle your money, if you don't do this, if you don't do that, if you don't do this, then you're an independent company and we will treat that as an independent company. If you haven't done the formalities, you get hit. But you actually sign away your limited liability protection on every piece of credit, every bank account, every financial transaction that you do with your LLC. You're going to be personally liable. There's really no way around that. So the limited liability, yeah, it's okay, but you're going to do the personal guarantee. I'll guarantee it. This is Lee Phillips, and I've been doing it for 40 years.